Hey guys, welcome back to another video this week. Today I'm going to be exploring a cave with my friend and my little one, and it's a little ways away, and I normally don't get really good intro videos, so I wanted to record something at home for you guys before we started this adventure. Waiting on my friend, and then we're going to hit the road and check out this cave. Hopefully you guys like. Let's go in the cave. It's about $25 per person. So guys, we got our ticket, and she said this cave tour is definitely pretty cool. They got this really old camera in the box. I just love old cameras. I think they're super cool. So they got this little placement thing. You can put where you came from. Some people came from Europe, Canada, India, Asia, all Mexico, even people from Africa. Holy cow. But vast majority from Missouri. This is in Missouri. This is the start of the cave. We're just now walking in the cave. Some steep ramps walking down, but it's all lighted. Oh, this is so cool. This is just so cool. Wow, it is huge in here. You almost gotta be here to see it. This is so cool. It's like too dark to see anyone in here. Besides these little lights they got. Not a dark video. You guys almost have to come here to see this. This cave is so massive.
Hey, I'm not mad at you.
Like it's hard to record because it's super dark, but oh, it's so cool.
Do you know what they've left yet?
Like, look at the background. All of it's lighted paths walking through. Oh, super cool.
This is actually very fast moving water. This water, well, the river itself moves about 1 to 1.5 million gallons of water every day. And we actually call it the Lost River because we have not discovered all of its sources yet. So, kind of cool that we still have a bit of mist.
It's so wet down here. Gotta be careful.
It's incredibly steep, and it can get a bit slippery. So I want you lovely folks to please walk very carefully. Please use the railings and walk slowly.
I love all the lights throughout. They got hand railings throughout everything, walking around. Like, look at this. That is just massive. This is so cool. It's a little slippery walking down this. I really love all the little formations that are coming down in this pathway. This is so cool. Like, look at it. That is crazy. So much to look at. This is cool. Wow.
Remember, youngins, don't touch nothing. I know it's tempting. Don't touch your cake.
It is.
I got another game for you guys. Step right up. I got it.
Now we're walking down this really slippery part. Like, this is crazy. You almost gotta walk super slow or you're gonna slip. Look at this. Ah, this is so cool. The cave was completely submerged underwater in November, they said. Wow, that's crazy. I mean, just look at that. You got like rocks and stuff underneath. And all of us made it to the top. I love this kind of stuff. I think it's super fun, adventurous. That's how far we walked up. Much brighter in this section of the cave. I keep getting dripped on too. Alright, made it to the top. I am exhausted.
Not for the off-trail, you get to stare at this. There's a different room you can kind of trudge through. This not it. Because the only time we go in here is to clean anything.
My friend just said this looks like after Taco Bell. Let's see what's down there. Cave goes on and on.
So we actually have some areas.
I really love all the little formations that are coming down.
I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. You ain't see me activated. You better hope that you never see me agitated. I think about my actions, plan them out.
Well guys, just walked out of the cave and this is definitely 5 out of 5. Must see, definitely recommend. And I would totally come back to this. This is pretty cool. Anyhow, thanks for watching. Peace. She's showing us how dark it is in the cave. She turned off all the lights and it is literally pitch black.
No.
I'm scared.
Mama's a scaredy cat.
3, 2, 1.
Thank you. Oh, the lights are back on. I got so scared.